Hey, what's happening guys? My name is Saurav and welcome to another video of Element Solutions. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to use props in React.js. So props are basically used to pass data from one component to another component. So let's suppose I've already created a component that is with name Saurav. And within this, so this is our one component. And if we create another component, let's suppose test. And if we want to pass some data from this component to another component, we're going to be using props. Let me just quickly create a component here like with test, and within the test we'll be returning a list, and within the list we'll be creating, and now if we call this function like this component within the main component using angular bracket, and now if you quickly save our application, we can see that we're getting this value like name, title and description. But let's suppose if we'd like to pass data like name, title and description, we'll be using props here. So props are basically, here we'll be defining like name, and we'll be giving like name as Saurav, and then we'll be giving like title AM and description test description. So these are basically the name and the title and the description that we have defined. So these three are basically called as props, and in order to use it in this component like test component, we'll be passing like a parameter like props. So you can name it anything, but the best practice is to use it like props here. And now in order to use this the component like the props that we have defined and the value to fetch from this component to this component, we're gonna be using a curly braces here, and we'll be giving like props dot name, and similarly like for others like title and description and description. Now if you quickly save this application, we can see that like our data is basically reflecting it here. So in props you can pass like string, number, object, array. You can pass a lot of things within the props, and this is how you can basically use props guys. You can also use like a loop or something if you have some data in other, like let's suppose I have a data, some sort of data in data.js like the title, description and image. If you would like to use it like in like Saurav.jsx, we can use like map function here, and we can just like iterate it, and we can pass all those data to this function. So this is how you can basically use props in React.js guys. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful to you. So do not forget to like and subscribe. Until then, Saurav here, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye bye.